If you've ever finished a video project in CapCut on your PC and wondered how you can export it without that annoying watermark and do it for free, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to export your CapCut videos cleanly and confidently, so you can share your work without any branding in the corner. Whether you're making content for social media, a presentation, or just sharing with friends, let's make sure your final video looks professional. All right, let's dive into the process. Once you've completed editing your project in CapCut, take a moment to review your timeline. I always recommend scrubbing through and double-checking your cuts, effects, and sound, just to be sure your project is exactly how you want it before exporting. This little extra step can save you from having to re-export later, especially if you spot a typo or realize a clip is out of place. When you're happy with your video, you're ready to move on to exporting. In CapCut on PC, look up at the top right corner of your workspace. You'll see an Export button. Click it, and CapCut will bring up the Export Settings window. This is where you decide the format, resolution, and other key details for your final video file. Generally, the default settings work great for most purposes, but if you want a higher resolution, say 1080p for YouTube or Instagram, make sure to set it here. If you're sharing to a group chat or just want a smaller file, you might choose a lower resolution. Once you've picked your export settings, simply click the final Export button to start the process. CapCut will crunch through your project and create the finished video file. This part might take a few moments, especially if your video has lots of edits, effects, or is a longer length. Don't worry if your computer seems busy for a bit. That's normal. While you wait, it's a good idea to think about where you want to save your video so you can find it easily later. Maybe a dedicated Final Videos folder. After CapCut has finished exporting, it'll prompt you with a location link or direct you to where your video was saved. Go ahead and open that folder. You'll find your freshly exported video file there. And here's the best part. When you play back your video, you'll notice there's absolutely no watermark. That means you can share it anywhere, from YouTube to TikTok, without worrying about CapCut's logo getting in the way of your creative vision. A quick tip here. CapCut on PC currently exports videos for free, watermark-free, as long as you're not using their paid assets or stock footage. If you ever do use premium features or content, just check before exporting. But for standard edits with your own clips and the built-in tools, you're in the clear. So to recap, finish your edits, double-check your project, click Export, choose your settings, and let CapCut do the magic. It's really that simple, and the result is a clean, professional video you can use anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, or if you have any questions about exporting, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you guys, and I'm here to help troubleshoot if you need it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this guide useful, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next video project.